When people talk about real estate innovations, they often focus on buying and selling. But the biggest long term impact of AI is actually in property management. Today, smart buildings use automations to monitor energy consumptions, control lighting and air conditions, and optimize usage based on real time occupancy. This reduces operational cost and supports sustainability goals at the same time. AI is also changing maintenance. Instead of reacting to breakdowns, predictive maintenance, system analysis equipment, and data to detect problems before even they happen. That means fewer disruptions, lower repair cost, and long time asset life. Security and access control are becoming smarter as well. Automated entry systems, AI assisted surveillance, and digital access logs improve safety while reducing manpower needs. From a business perspective, this leads to better tenant experience, higher retentions, and more stable cash flows. In many ways, buildings are no longer static assets. They are becoming adaptive systems that respond to how people use them. Looking ahead, the most valuable properties won't just be well located or well designed. They will be intelligent, efficient, and easier to manage. And that's where AI and automation creates their strongest, most lasting value in real estate. Nowadays, operational efficiency is becoming a long term differentiator. I'm curious how others in this real estate industry are seeing these shifts.